Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, which you probably are because I am too, my name is Holly Oliva and I'm taking you guys with me on my fitness journey. I am in my mid to late 30s and I'm really struggling with weight loss at this point in my life. I never thought I'd say that. Of course, when you're in your 20s, you think you're invincible, but it's been really hard for me to shed weight. I'm kind of stuck between a 6 and 8 pound loss, and every weekend I seem to gain it back. So I decided I'm gonna do a 3-day soft food diet just to try and shed off a couple extra pounds. I feel like on the weekends, I don't necessarily eat unhealthy, but I'll have like a cheat meal every single day on the weekends, and then I'm drinking margaritas, I'm drinking beers on the patio with my husband. So I think you're gonna hear toddler noises, sorry. So I think to get the results that I'm actually wanting, needing, deserving, I need to be a little bit stricter in the beginning and then find a way to maintain after that. So let's get into it. If you have seen my videos before, you know I start every single morning with a breakfast smoothie. No peas. And that's what I'm having now. If you watch any of my other videos, I do give the recipe. Levi! I'm gonna put my weight on the screen and then I'll show you what I look like on day 3. We'll see if there's any changes. We'll see if I dropped any weight, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm eating. So yay, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, it's later in the day. I'm starting to get hungry. My breakfast shake has worn off. So I'm going to make a smoothie with this. It has acai, kale, strawberry, apple, and blueberry. And it comes in like pre-portioned packs. So like this is for one smoothie. I thought this was very useful. And then of course I'm going to use my Orgain protein, a little bit of water, and that's it. That's gonna be the entire smoothie. That's not all I'm gonna have. Once that settles a little bit, I'm going to have this bare bones bone broth. Say that 4 times fast. And it has 10 grams of protein, 0 sugar, 50 calories per serving. It's beef. Oh, did I say that? Beef bone broth? I don't know. It has protein, collagen, amino acids, and minerals, and has been nourishing humankind for centuries. So I'm going to have this after I have my lunch smoothie, and then that's it. That's what I'm gonna eat. That's gonna be my lunch today. It's a little thick. It's like so cold though. I don't know how fast I'm gonna be able to drink this. I think that's why I'm not a smoothie person. It smells really nice. It smells like gravy. It smells like gravy, but it don't taste like gravy, girl. But it doesn't taste bad. For some reason, I expected it to be saltier. Let's make some soup because your girl is fucking hungry. What's up, you guys? It's day 2. I wanted to stay and critique my own soup and talk about the ingredients that were in there last night, but my kids apparently didn't want me to. It had protein, carbs. I drank all the broth to get that extra protein in there. It was really delicious. It was really filling. So filling, in fact, that I didn't even get hungry today until about 2 hours ago. I had to make myself drink my breakfast smoothie earlier, and then I had my lunch smoothie, but I still haven't had my broth. I did a full body workout yesterday. Today I'm gonna do another full body workout and I'm gonna walk for 30 minutes. I started off yesterday at 149 pounds. I like gained a bunch of weight over the past 2 weekends. I lost 8 pounds originally and then I gained 6 of them back. And today I was 147. So we will see what happens, because if that's only 1 day, then that's great. We'll see where I'm at tomorrow. Why is it so dark? What the fuck? Oh my god, I like literally just woke up. It's morning 3 of my 3-day soft diet and I'm already lost 3 pounds. So I imagine tomorrow when I wake up, it'll be about 4 pounds. So I'm still gonna go through the whole thing. Kind of why I don't recommend it long term, because it's not normal to lose 4 pounds in 3 days. You should not be losing a pound a day. I just wanted to like get fast results. Hopefully I can maintain them because we're about to go on vacation. I'll be good, you guys. And we do lots of walking. We're going to Charleston. It's not really vacation, it's a long weekend. But we stay with family. Their house is 3 stories and we always stay at the very top floor. So we're gonna be going up and down the stairs the whole time, walking around Charleston, walking to the grocery store. Like, we park our car and don't use it the whole time we're there. I'll probably still maintain it. Am I still gonna fit back into my pants? No, I'm still on this weight loss journey. This was just a little something to boost morale, I guess. I would never do this long term, not only because it's not healthy to lose a pound a day, but also I feel like I wasn't getting enough protein. Even though I was probably getting around 90 grams of protein a day. And that's like a guess. 90 is not enough. I should be getting 130. That's my goal weight, 130 pounds. So I want to have no less than 100 grams of protein a day, like bare minimum. I'll see you later. I might drop a little Charleston vlog to show you guys what I'm eating while I'm there, how I'm working out, because I am bringing exercise stuff. We're driving, it's only a 6-hour drive. I am bringing some dumbbells with me, so I'll be exercising in the garden, eating around town, and also like cooking for Poppy. So it'll be a nice little food and exercise vlog. Ciao, ciao.